Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and run MLAB software for a Mac operating system. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to www.paratruno.com. And this will bring you to the main web page for the MLAB software. Here you can see all of the different capabilities of MLAB, all of the different fields that the modeling software can be applied to. And then we also have blog posts that show you how to use specific functions of MLAB. So once you have it downloaded and you have the hang of things, this is a really useful site. Or if you just want to get more information on how MLAB can be utilized, this is a really good thing to check out. But for now, we're trying to download a trial of MLAB. So you want to go to Buy or Try and click Try MLAB Now. And this brings you to the trial download page. This is an important notice about the MLAB trial that you will be downloading. Definitely read through this because it has some important information, including how long the trial will last, what type of download trial license it is, etc., etc. So definitely read through it before downloading and installing MLAB. How you actually download MLAB is you fill out this form and then click send, and an email will be sent to you that includes the download trial copy of MLAB. So I've already gone ahead and downloaded the MLAB trial copy. If you haven't done that, go ahead and check your email for a trial copy. But now what I want to do is double click the zip file, which will bring me a folder with all of the MLAB files that I need to run MLAB right in it. And I'm just going to drag that onto the desktop so I can access it more easily. So now we're done with that. And then I'm going to open the folder, also called a directory. So now that we have the MLAB folder up and running, we want to make sure that our MLAB software download actually works. So go ahead and click this file right here. It's black, it says EXEC, it's named MLAB. This is the actual software program for MLAB. And everything else in this folder are just supporting files, some examples that are already downloaded into the software program, everything that MLAB needs to run. So we're just going to make sure this is up and running. Select Go to Top Level MLAB, click Continue, and then we're just going to type in a simple command to make sure MLAB is working properly. And then hit Enter, and 2 + 2 = 4, that's correct. So we know that MLAB is working correctly and we've got it properly installed. So what a lot of people want to do is just take this MLAB file itself, the thing you actually click, to open the MLAB program and drag it onto their desktop so they can have easier access to it. But the way that MLAB is designed to work is that everything in this folder is connected back to this file and vice versa. So when you drag it onto your desktop and you try to run MLAB, it doesn't work because it can't find the specific files that it needs to run. But fear not, there is a simple way to fix that. So what you want to do is make sure that your MLAB executable file stays in your MLAB directory, your MLAB folder, call it what you will, and then make an icon from here. And that's really simple to do. You just want to control-click on the MLAB software program, right-click, control-click, same thing, and click Make Alias. And an icon will pop up that looks identical to the actual MLAB folder, except it says alias, and it has this little arrow in the corner. And what an alias is essentially it's an icon that redirects you back to any folder location in your hard drive. So what that means is you can click on this alias after having dragged it to your desktop. And what that's actually saying is, hey, I want to open MLAB, which is in the MLAB4 directory. And it's just a big shortcut, but it's useful if you want to have your MLAB icon out here on your desktop. If you don't care about something like that, you can always just save your MLAB folder to your desktop and go in, click Open Folder, and then click right here on the MLAB executable file without having to go through an alias. But if you're the type of person that likes to have an icon on your desktop for easier access, then this is a pretty simple way to do that. So let's just make sure the alias works. Double click on that, and it brings you up to the MLAB menu. So click on Go to Top Level MLAB, type in a command, hit Enter to make sure it works, and it sure does. So now we've just successfully downloaded, installed, and run MLAB on a Mac operating system.